Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and it's time for another one of these, which is the latest issue of the Character Design Quarterly magazine from 3DTotal Publishing. So what I do on these is I'll just go through the latest issue, have a quick look at it and see what we think. So this was the last issue, which was issue number 26. So this one here should be issue 27, but this one is issue number 6, and it's still my favouriteest cover. So what I like to do at the start is, I like to sort of compare the covers, because for me, the covers is one of my favourite things. And this one here was, I don't think this is ever going to be beaten, because it's a lowish cover, one of my favourite artists, and it's of the video game Horizon Zero Dawn. So Peter the Penguin is going to get us in. That's very satisfying doing that. Look, he's got this is his little outfit. He's creating an outfit from packaging. It's quite cool. What colour do you reckon it is? Ooh, what do you think? Peter's in. It's a purple one. I'm going to turn it around the other way. It's a purple one. Oh, look. There's a little bit of scuffing on that. I don't know if you can see that. It might come off. What's this here, look? I think someone's been painting on my one. Watch this. It is a robot monster with a little bunny. And it's a... well, that's still my favourite one. What I've noticed is the latest few issues have actually been more sort of about like a story. I much prefer the covers with focus on like a character. But I do like that one. The thing is with these Character Design Quarterly magazines is you never get a bad cover. These are like my favourite things. Oh, look at that, I like the way they do this with the colour of the spine, beautifully with the thingy. What I like here is this little character, because he's quite funny. And I don't know, even though that robot is a robot, he sort of looks a bit friendly actually. So that's still my favourite, issue number 6. So little Peter's going to get us in. This is a beautiful purple colour. It reminds me, it doesn't look the same on the camera. In real life it's much more sort of, well, it reminds me of the PS4. The PS4 had a purple controller. I think it's called Midnight Purple or something. I'll tell you what, the quality of this paper is brilliant. Dragons, look, with Lorenzo Etherington. So I think this is the Christmas one, or the December issue from 2023. So it's the last issue. And I got it, when did I get it? On Saturday. So I got it on, what's that? That's the 6th of January 2024. I love these little guys. Hey look, here he is. The cover artist is Dave Guilherme. Got a little bit of thing there, look. He's a very cool character, him. I like this little character here. I'd like to have a little story of him, I think. Ratchet and Clank. Look. Dave is a character design legend, having worked in the industry for 25 years and one of the minds behind the phenomenal successful Ratchet and Clank. Well look, actually that does look a bit like Clank, doesn't it? Yeah, it's like a big massive Clank. Oh, that's quite cool, that is. I wonder if he's got any, it reminds me, I say this a lot, but it reminds me of like Jake Parker, these characters. Or maybe maybe Jake Parker's been influenced by these artists or something. Oh yeah. That's a cool character, that is. I like that it's sort of got a mix. All of these characters have sort of got a mix of organic with technology. Which is quite interesting. That's a different one. Monsters of Rock. Crafting the cover. There he is, look. A good way they put the purpleness into the article. Boot sequence complete. Ah, he's turning him on. That's interesting. Isn't it weird how I thought he was turning him off? He's actually turning him on. That's quite cool. Because when I was looking at it here, I was a little bit sad, thinking he's going to turn him off. And I thought what was happening was he was thinking, should I turn him off or not? But what he's probably thinking is, should I turn him on or not? Look, he's got cobwebs on him. So that means he's been sat there for ages. So probably he's already been turned off before. Maybe he is a naughty robot then. And that's why they turned him off. Your sketchbook is your playground. That's quite cool. Yeah, you could stick post-it notes on top of your characters to change their faces. That's a cool way, isn't it, to experiment with different, like, mouths or something. That's brilliant. Because if you, like, got a perfect, say you got the top half perfect, but you wasn't happy with the bottom, instead of redrawing the whole lot, you could just do, yeah, that's brilliant. That is so, look. I'll tell you what, that is, this issue's probably worth it just for that little trick. The sticky note trick. Yeah, I like that. I like that. These remind me of Bert Dodson, the first art book I ever studied from. Very sort of rough sketches. Oh, this is cool, this is. This article is cool. It's all about different types of sketching. Drawing the dream. Love this character. I like that. I prefer the sketches to the finished thing. Look at some of these sketches, look. They're really cool, they are. And then when it gets to the finished one, I don't know, I like the sketch, I like all the rough lines and stuff in the sketches. Little sheep, little basic shapes here, look. Oh, characterise this bashful bear with J. Kim. Look at this one here, look. Chloe the cat, our cat stands up like that. Like a little meerkat. These are just amazing. Oh, I love that. See that, if that had been the cover, for me that would have been like right up there. Because I like simple covers. Artist, a catch up with Jordi Febre. She was in Character Design Quarterly. Don't know. Oh yeah. Look at that look. Love that. I like the way her shoulders coming out of her outfit. Quite sexy. I also like the way these they've done the grass here. Yeah, this is an artist to look into. There's a little interview. Tiny details can be expressive and charismatic. It's on a skateboard, look. Expressing emotions with Hugo. That reminds me of Lost, the TV show Lost. Hugo... what was his second name? I can't remember. Hugo Reis. He's one of my favourite characters. My favourite character in the TV show Lost was John Locke. The gallery. This is lilDENNiS' favourite section. Penguin fight. I think Peter would win, actually. Peter would flutter his little eyelashes and... Yay! I like these ones. They're a bit like something out of Naruto or something. Yeah, these are cool, these are. Funny. Whenever I see those mopeds, it reminds me of Persona 4. These are nice shapes. Diving for treasure with Guilherme Franco. These little silhouettes, look. Very angular these are, aren't they? There's no like sort of there's no like gesture in them. A bit stiff. I like little Sidekick. Yeah, I always like it when you get a character with a little sidekick. What's your favourite colour on it? I like that one. That colour feels nice, that one. That's the one they went with. That's quite nice. I don't like the face on it. I would, you know what, I would have kept that face, I would have kept the face just as a visor, I think. It's got a cool head though. See, it's weird, isn't it? He's a cool looking character there, but in the helmet, I think what it is his hair that's like really cool. His hair is like the character there, but you don't see his hair really in the helmet. So he loses a lot of his personality. Lydia Nichols. Oh, look. Yay. Oh, these, how nice are these, look. They're like little friends. Very friendly. I like these. Yeah, the friendliness in these is amazing. Fantasy characters. Witches, look. Witches are cool. Hey! Little owl. Mind mapping. I bought a mind mapping book the other day. Start sketching. That was a fascinating fact of the week. I bought a mind mapping book. Look, see the gesture in that one? Shape language. He's a very cool character, that one. Yeah, I like that one. Oh, that's it. And here's our little artist friend for this issue, look. It's amazing, isn't it, how different everyone looks. Flor J. Kim. That's cool, isn't it? Shadows. Hello! Yay! Oh, I wanted to see what she looked like. She's a red-headed illustrator. And that's it. Design is the dance between backstory and detail. And we finished with dragon wings. So we started with dragon wings. And we end with dragon wings. Oh, the feeling of this is... It feels like, you know when you get cereal boxes? It feels like that. And that's it. That was another cool issue, that was. I don't know what that is. I wonder if that'll come off. No. Oh, it might do, look. I think somebody's probably been doing some art around the issues. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It was a look at issue number 27 of the Character Design Quarterly magazine by 3DTotal Publishing. And I shall see you later for another one.